Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 2600 Chaucer. They had this backed up. They wanted it cabled and cameraed. Came out here, it was backed up towards the house. I cabled it, got it open. And we're in the backyard here. The clean out's in the backyard. We're going to go ahead and run my camera in there and show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed to the house here. About 42 feet. Here we are at the bottom of the 4-inch stack. Go ahead and pull back, show you what this line looks like. Got a turn here. Might have been a small crack in there. Got some buildup down here at the bottom from me cable, and I ran a big cutter through there and cut all the scaling off. That should eventually flush out, because this pipe had heavy scaling in it. Here we are at the transition. So we're cutting a 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay. As you see, that's all the stuff I've cut up. I was running water, but it'll eventually flush out. Should wash away eventually. If not, try hydro flush it. So, let's see. Like I said, I had a big cutter in there. It gave me a lot of resistance getting through it, but I cut it all up. It all looks to be intact. Might have had a small crack. This is the clay pipe, 6-inch clay pipe here, so that all looks good. We'll run out to main real quick, just to check. Be right back. Alright, yeah, we got our camera pushed out here. That's the main. See there, it's a manhole. Leaves the main there though. Let's pull this back, show you what it looks like. We got it diving down there. Line's taking a dive. Make depth for MSD. That was the bottom of the dive. Here we are at the top of the dive. Yeah, it's diving down pretty good. It's all intact. A little bit of grass there. That's from the grass getting caught on my cable. That'll wash out. Turn there, and here's the trap. So, yep, everything appears to be okay. There was some heavy scaling in that cast iron. I cut it up really good, so it should help out. Alrighty, thank you.